Alex here, back with another video, and in this video, if the screen recorder actually holds up, I tried recording this video yesterday, but it didn't take. That's why I did the American Truck Simulator mod video. Then I will still post this video because I want to show you guys what I'm talking about. And the video will not end until I do my outro, so if it ends before then, it crashed, and I want to show you guys kind of what I'm talking about. But anyway, I got to level 13. Yay! So hopefully this doesn't crash. Hopefully this actually works. Let's see. It's probably gonna work now that I said if it crashes, I'm still gonna upload the video, no matter what. But you know. So we shall see if it works. If it does, good. If it doesn't, then I'm sorry. So I'm sorry ahead of time if it crashes. Let's see. Okay. Okay. It's working for now. I don't know why sometimes it likes to record it and sometimes it don't. I don't get that at all, but okay. I'm actually gonna readjust real quick while I sail off to try to sink a boat. I'm gonna readjust. Sorry if you can hear my AC running in the background. I think you might be able to, but I'm not exactly sure. I'll double check the video so you guys don't have to comment whether or not you do. Alright, now that I'm readjusted, I'm ready to go. Come on. Where are you guys? Oh, there you guys are. You're a carrier! You are a carrier. Oh, I am not going to leave you alone, buddy. I'm coming after you specifically because you're a carrier. And it looks like he's already getting attacked. This is working out perfectly. Come on, Shadow. Hi. I got Shadow right here next to me. You guys remember Shadow, the miniature pincher? She's sitting right here next to me. You're a good girl. Anyway. I don't really get what you're doing, but okay. What? No. Stop it. Oh, man. See, this is the problem with these games, is they're 15 minutes long, but it's not all fighting. Some of it's just sailing. So while we're just sailing for no apparent reason, let's go ahead and talk. Why not? So, the reason that I was gone for so long, the first time that I left, I really don't even know why. Just wanted to clarify that. I don't really know why I was gone for so long, and then right when I planned on coming back, some things happened, so I didn't come back. And don't ask me what happened because I'm not going to tell you guys. No offense. But ooh. Tag him. Get him. Yes, I got him a little bit. Not much, but a little bit. Are you coming? Are you coming over here? Yes, you are. And you are a carrier as well. Got you. Oh, man, I got him. Oh, no! No! They hit me with a torpedo. Dude, you're almost dead. It's not really sad considering he's an aircraft carrier, can't really protect himself, but actually he can if you get close enough to him, he can. He just sunk one of my teammates, I think. Boom. I think I'm getting hit. Yep. Nope, no, 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 that's not gonna work. Oh my lord. They are really trying to take me out, aren't they? They are trying so hard, man. Trying so much. Nope, not this time. Yep, they got me. I literally said not this time, and then they got me. So, yeah, I've only been recording for 6 minutes. Dang! Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I said I wasn't going to let you guys sit through all that, and I was accurate. I was not going to let you guys sit through all that, because that was going to be a really long time for you guys. Battles are 15 minutes, but if I die, I'm not going to let you guys, or not going to make you guys, my bad, not going to make you guys sit through 15 minutes of other boats fighting each other while I'm sinking or sunk, and then the content just becomes boring. I know it's kind of boring. I know I'm kind of a boring YouTube channel to watch, but for bored people, I think I do okay. But there's a lot more, there's videos out there that are a lot more fun to watch, so I can understand if you don't watch mine, because I'm not really that interesting. My personal opinion, you can have your own opinion. But look at it from my perspective. I've been doing this for, well, really 4 years. Besides the almost year-long break that I took. Because I kind of got burnt out on YouTube, and trying to find content to make was becoming a lot harder. I didn't want to steal anyone's ideas, so I just went back to the old content that I had been creating for quite some time. And nail him, get him, get him, get him, please. Oh yes. Oh yes, that was a good one. But anyway, I didn't want to steal anybody's ideas on gameplay. And I know there are a few videos of this game out there, but they're not like quite like the ones that I make. Some of them are actually a little bit better than the ones that I make, I think. My personal opinion, not yours. But I've watched, or you can have your own. But are you serious? I hate the red rounds and the. Wow. Thank you for taking care of him. Now I can focus on this guy, who is really annoying because I am almost dead. And then you got these guys over here using the red ammo, so it's not really fair. I don't think it's really fair, the red ammo, because it causes fire. I mean, the armor-piercing ones, they can cause fire too, but the red ones cause more fire, I guess. So, yeah, that's my opinion on that. I think the red rounds should be banned, and I'll let you guys watch this one because it's almost over. But I'm not gonna make you guys sit through like a super long battle. See, that one was over fairly quickly. And don't copyright me for that, YouTube. Because I do give full credit to the people that created that music. It's kind of a good battle ending song, but yeah, I will get back with you guys when other people join. Okay, other people have joined and we are about to start. That did not take long at all, and we are starting now. So, I really am just trying to save you guys the trouble, or save you guys the time of sitting through all the boring stuff, because I know how boring it is to just sit there and wait for a game to load. Sometimes it takes forever, sometimes it takes not that long. You know, and that's another thing is sometimes the recorder that I use, I don't know, but I will get the name of it and I will leave it in the description. I will leave the name. I can't really leave a link, but I can leave the name of the recorder that I use in the description of this video, so you guys can go check it out and see if you guys like it. And if you guys do, who knows? But yeah. And I know I only have 65 subscribers and I'm grateful for that, but I am going to do a viewer shout out. I'm going to try to do a viewer shout out. So how this is going to work is to enter, and I'm going to be choosing, like, maybe, depending on how many comments I get. If I get, like, 2 or 3 comments, then I'm only going to be choosing one. But if I get, like, 10 or 12, then I'm going to be choosing, like, 2 or 3 people to give shout-outs to, is basically how that's going to work. But, so how it's going to work is I'm going to go in to my YouTube. I'm going to go into the comments section of my YouTube. And I'm going to be recording this. I'm not going to record any of you guys' videos because I don't want to get copyrighted for videos that I didn't make. So I'm not going to record any of your guys' content. But what I am going to do is give y'all's name out, give y'all's channel name, and give the photo, whatever y'all's channel picture is. So that's going to be happening probably next week from when this video is happening. So if you guys want a chance to get a shout out, then just leave a comment. And oh, I skimmed him with a couple of them, and he sunk. So there you go. But yeah, that's how that's gonna work. So if you guys want me to do that, then I will do that. If you guys don't, then I won't. But leave it in the comments if you guys want me to do that, because I just want to get you guys' opinion before I actually do something that people won't actually like. And besides that, I'm trying to be more interactive in the community, is pretty much what that is. Ooh, we're doing sniper shots. Who? I might be turning away from you, but don't think that I won't shoot you still. Still managed to get him. Ooh, 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 ooh. Can I sink him? I think I can. I'm the only one left? I didn't even realize. Oh, this is gonna be fun. He sunk! I don't know if I sunk him or if something else sunk him, But whatever did, hooray. And I've got 115,000 points. And I can't get that guy. This is going to be very interesting. It is 4 versus 1 right now. And I'm going to lose. Because if I get hit one more time, then I lose. Come on, Shadow. Come on, Shadow. Come on. Okay, you do your thing. I'll keep doing a video. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Shoot him. He is gonna kill me. This is it. He's gonna get me. There's no way I could survive. Dang it! I almost had him too. That was awesome. 16 minutes. Alright, we're gonna do one more and then that'll be it. So, hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, we're about to start. So, if, you guys let me know if my videos are too long. If they're too long, then I'll shorten them up by quite a bit, honestly. But if they're not too long, then I'll just keep doing my normal thing. And I don't really decide how long. Well, I kind of do. If I think a video has gone on too long, or if I run out of things to talk about or things to do, then I'll just end the video. But I need video suggestions. And I don't really think anybody watches to the end of my videos, but that's fine. But I kind of want video suggestions so that I know. Let's see. What should I say? Random letters, because why not? This is going to be the longest thing on Earth. Okay. Send. Just for no reason. Alright, let's see. Ah! I'm already being shot at! That's the thing with this thing, it takes so long to turn the cannons! You know what? Whatever I hit, I hit. Whatever I don't, I don't. I don't really care. Unload, unload, unload. I unloaded it. Yes, I got them both! I think, yes, I got both of them. By quite a lot, actually. Ah! And now this guy's shooting at me. Why? I get it because he's my enemy, but I also don't because he's